Exacto Spring never intended on monopolizing the spring industry, just to supply an ever-growing, ever-evolving demand of custom precision springs. Although most of us won't realize it, Exacto Spring affects each one of us every day of our lives. Technology in the 60s, 70s, and 80s was evolving fast, and springs were always a major part of it. It was then that Bill Heitz, Ken Quillen, and Bill Green, co-founders of Exacto Spring, landed their first client, Automated Products Company. They realized the potential and decided to rent some manufacturing space in a shared building in Rockford, Illinois for $100 a month. Their success spawned bigger and more demanding customers, including Briggs & Stratton and Tecumseh, both with manufacturing plants in Wisconsin. Understanding the importance of his proximity to his clients, Bill Heitz signed a check for some land in Grafton, Wisconsin. This would soon become the home of Exacto Spring. The compression spring, the most common spring in production, was the first spring ever produced at Exacto and became the backbone of their business in those early years. Users of IBM computers were compressing an Exacto spring with each keystroke. Anyone pressing their thumb on a Parker pen was compressing an Exacto spring. Compression springs were instrumental in establishing Exacto in the spring manufacturing industry, but springs themselves would not be what inevitably defined Exacto as a company. It became clear that Exacto had a sustainable future, and expansion was inevitable. As the footprint of Exacto's customers extended globally, the Exacto plant's footprint needed to accommodate the demands of their ever-growing client base. In fact, the plant went through 10 expansions over the first 50 years in business. One of the most unique products in the spring industry, and the one that helped define Exacto as a company, is the torsion spring. Its rotating forces have many applications in all fields of technology, including latches, hinges, electronics, aviation, and automotive. The manufacturing of custom torsion springs requires skilled labor to design the products and modify the machines that make them. The key attribute of an Exacto extension spring is to maximize an end product's functionality and enhance its dependability. Common uses are engines, appliances, and automotive interior and exteriors. Exacto's precision at designing and building complex end configurations has made extension springs an important sector of business. At Exacto, we stress test not only extension springs, but all kinds of springs for reliability and safety. Exacto products made it to the big screen in the movie Anaconda. 12 Exacto springs were used for the mechanical snake. The largest spring used was 40 feet long and 12 inches in diameter. Exacto also provided the U.S. speed skating team the springs that were instrumental in the clap skates. This new technology shattered records and transformed the sport. Wire forms and devices, unlike springs, use the beam effect for energy storage. These products are very useful in medical equipment and common in every industry that Exacto serves. Wire forms require exact precision. With all the advancements in the medical field, they represent the greatest opportunity at Exacto for growth. Often our machines need to be Exacto modified to perfect the accuracy of custom wires and forms. The mastering of these perfectly accurate wire form products led to the start of a new division of the business, Exacto Medical. Along with wire forming, there are many other capabilities that we offer to serve the medical field and improve the quality of life for individuals. It requires the accuracy and precision that has become synonymous with the name Exacto. Exacto constantly innovates our in-house processes to enhance customer service. Welding, deburring, oiling, passivation, grinding, and of course packaging are just a few of our automated capabilities to help our customers. Exacto Spring has become a part of everyday life. When making a call on your cell phone or conducting business on your computer, cutting your grass, driving to work, flying on vacation, keeping you healthy and safe, and protecting our land, Exacto Spring has always been there, and we'll make sure it's made in the USA. Its influence reaches the bright lights of Hollywood, revolutionized an Olympic sport, improved the condition of the healthcare industry, and even contributed to a popular science Invention of the Year award. None of these accomplishments would have been possible if it weren't for our defining attribute of exact accuracy that can only be achieved by the skill and dedication of the people that work at Exacto Spring Corporation. We look forward to the future, to evolving our capabilities to meet the needs of your business and to ensure that Exacto Spring positively affects each one of us every day of our lives.